We're looking at the UK 100 or the FTSE on the 10th of December. We've got pre-market analysis and we've got the pivot points laid out. If you do want the pivot points, they are available on the website via CSV file. We're opening lower than the close gap, so what I'm expecting is between now and the open and a little bit after the open, we'll be heading up towards the close gap and that extreme gap. So highly likely to fill this red line here as well as the grey line up here. So I'm expecting perhaps a little bit of a pullback and then a powerful move up, or alternatively, we may just drift straight up towards this target here. We may continue higher and perhaps get a bit of a rejection. We've got some tight lines here as well as the previous day's high. So we may see a rejection off that level. We can see on the monthly chart that the yearly R3 is being respected and we're starting to turn down now. Whether that continues or not, we'll have to wait and see. On the weekly chart, we can see that we haven't broken through these wicks, but potentially if we get a breakdown off that today, we could see some lower movement. So potential declines. Obviously, we're looking to target that close gap. Just watch out for the more macroeconomics of the market because it may have heavier weight and we may start to see a decline at some point. On the daily, obviously we've had a number of days in a row where we've gone down. The probability is that we'll go up and trade back inside these levels. However, still watching for that big decline that may be coming. Nothing much on the 4 hour. We are near the lows of that Bollinger Band. If we come down and tap this S2, could be an even better indication that we may turn around. Very similar on the M30. So all in all, heading towards this close gap, remembering that extreme gap is there, so we may see a bit of rejection off that before we continue up to this main target, remembering that the overall direction may be heading further down, so we've just got to watch that decline and be ready for potential bigger moves than simply the day-to-day.